Hello, we might not be allowed to let you onto our shop, but we are still very much operating. I'm just going to step out because the sun's right in my eyes. But we are operating a little bit on a click and collect sort of style service. You can come to our doorway. We have a sneeze screen in place and we will be wearing face masks. I've just taken mine off so you can hear and see me. And our goldsmith is working in isolation upstairs in our workshop, and he can do repairs, he can make things from scratch, so bespoke in time for Christmas, and also remodel your gold. And my team, myself, Rosie, Beth and Natalie, are available to give you shopping advice too. So our shop is literally just there, so we can bring things to you to have a look at. Anything we exchange, we will sanitize before and afterwards too. So you can book an appointment to come to us. That's all available on our online calendar on our website, which is petrajewellery.com. And if you find it easier, just give us a phone call. It's Basingstoke, which is 01256 355 945, or send us an email, which is info@petrajewellery.com. So in short, we might not be open for you to come inside, but we are very much open to look after you and your jewellery needs.